Finding the perfect keyboard can be a frustrating journey, especially if you're tired of tangled wires and limited battery life. In today's comparison, we're diving deep into 5 amazing rechargeable mechanical keyboards that promise convenience and performance for every type of user. Stick around to discover which keyboard comes out on top, and you might be surprised by our #1 pick. Don't forget, the links to every product are in the description below. And subscribe for more great tech reviews. Tri-Mode Wireless Keyboard. The Tri-Mode Wireless Keyboard is perfect for those who crave versatility without compromising on performance. This sleek keyboard supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a wired connection, making it incredibly adaptable for use with multiple devices, whether you're switching between your laptop, tablet, or desktop. One standout feature is its customizable RGB lighting, which not only enhances the aesthetic of your workspace, but also allows you to set the mood for gaming or typing. It's ideal for gamers who need to switch quickly between devices or professionals who want a stylish yet functional option. However, some users have noted that the key travel may feel a bit shallow for those who prefer a more tactile response. Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. Next up is the Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Illuminated Keyboard, a fantastic choice for those who prioritize a premium typing experience. With its low-profile mechanical switches, this keyboard strikes the perfect balance between a traditional mechanical feel and the sleekness of a membrane keyboard. The backlit keys are a game-changer for late-night work sessions, illuminating each key for easy visibility in low-light settings. Ideal for professionals who type extensively, the MX Mechanical is designed for comfort and efficiency, featuring a split layout that reduces strain on your wrists. However, the price tag may be a bit steep for casual users, making it an investment worth considering for serious typists. RedThunder K95 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The RedThunder K95 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard offers gamers a robust solution with performance-centric features. This keyboard is equipped with mechanical switches that provide satisfying feedback, making it perfect for fast-paced gaming. The K95 boasts customizable RGB lighting that synchronizes with in-game actions, enhancing your immersive experience. It's also designed with a sturdy build that withstands intense gaming sessions and features programmable macro keys for quick access to essential commands. While it excels in gaming, the K95 might feel bulky for users looking for a more compact solution, but its performance certainly makes up for it. Redragon Wireless Typewriter Style Mechanical Gaming. If you're looking to combine aesthetics and functionality, the Redragon Wireless Typewriter Style Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a standout option. This vintage-inspired keyboard brings a unique charm to your setup with round keycaps that evoke a classic typewriter feel. It's ideal for writers and gamers alike who want a nostalgic touch without sacrificing modern technology. The wireless capability allows for easy portability, making it a great choice for those who work from various locations. The only downside might be that some users may find the key noise a bit on the louder side, which can be distracting in quiet environments. Snpurdiri 60% wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo. Rounding out our list is the Snpurdiri 60% wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo, an unbeatable package for gamers and typists alike. This compact keyboard maximizes desk space while still offering a full range of keys essential for gaming and productivity. The wireless design ensures you won't be tethered to your desk, giving you freedom of movement. With customizable RGB backlighting and programmable keys, it's perfect for both immersive gaming and working late into the night. Additionally, the included mouse pairs seamlessly, making this combo a fantastic value. While the 60% layout might take some time to adjust to for users accustomed to full-sized keyboards, the overall experience is definitely worth it. In conclusion, these rechargeable mechanical keyboards each offer unique benefits tailored to various types of users, from gaming enthusiasts to professionals who type all day. There's something for everyone in this lineup. If you found this comparison helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Check the links in the description to see the latest prices and grab your favorite keyboard today.